What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we're gonna answer another viewer question. This one comes from Jamie Rodriguez. Ryan, love the channel, you do a great job. All right, I just emphasized on the voice. I've been noticing while I'm driving, I smell this really weird smell. It smells like brakes. I don't know what it is, and for some reason my truck feels like it takes some time to move forward. What do you think it could be? I'm at a loss for words. So super simple, super easy fix. What I want you to do is, after you drive it, go around each wheel and smell. Where do you smell the brake? Where do you smell the brake scent from? Once you determine where you smell it from, I want you, if it's from the rear, remove both rear wheels. Jack up the vehicle. Make sure it's not in four-wheel drive. Make sure it's still in two-wheel drive. Chalk the front wheels. Have someone go in the vehicle for you, put it in drive, and just let that person let off the brakes easy. Look at the rotors. Do they freely spin? Are they sticking? In that case, your caliper is most likely seized. That is causing the brake smell. When the caliper is seized, your brake pads are pushed against the rotor because now they cannot retract back because they're seized out. So the constant turning is going to heat up the rotor, causing the brake pad to smell, causing issues like that. It's going to get really hot and messed up. So my recommendation to you is, once you figure out which wheel it is doing that to, replace the caliper. And when you're replacing the caliper, don't just replace that one caliper. I'm the type of person that likes to replace it in pairs. So if you have the money and you can afford to do so, replace them in pairs. It'll help you out in the long run, because most likely when one's gone, the second one's soon to follow. So I like to replace mine in pairs, and that's all I got for you. If that helped, leave the comment in the comment section below and let me know. And if it doesn't, well, just leave it in the comment section below. We'll help you. Other than that, make sure you hit a like for this video and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So we will see you later. Peace.